Hello guys, today is the 4th, or not 4th of July, it's the 5th of July. I would have filmed this video yesterday, but it was pouring down rain on 4th of July. Here, I need another sparkler, this one's running dry. So yeah, we're gonna be...
wet. That one's dead. Here.
So yeah, we're gonna be shooting off some fireworks. We got all this stuff over here, and my sparkler just ran out.
Here you go.
Hold up, I gotta put this in the water.
Be sure and put your sparklers in the water.
Yeah.
Hey.
You can see my shadow. Hello. Can't see the sparkler because that's how light works. Look, you see my shadow? You can't see the sparkler shadow.
You can't. How come?
Because that's how light works.
Oh, I didn't even think of that.
We'll shoot off some of these later. We're just using the sparklers for now. Here, I need some. This one. Oh, wait for this one to go out. And this one's going out too. Hey, Nano, you want to say hi to YouTube?
Hi, I'm Sam's Nana.
Yeah.
And we're doing fireworks.
Trying to... I didn't... There it goes. 5th of July. It's the 5th of July because it poured down rain yesterday. I think I already said that though. I gotta put this one in the water. It's about to go out. Yeah, we should have gotten the bigger ones.
Yeah.
One sparkler at a time.
You want to do two?
I'm trying to hold the camera.
Oh, okay.
I can hold two though.
Put two in there.
I got two.
This is what we used to always do.
I would. Oh yeah, that's good. One of yours ran out. This is a lot different than my other videos, but I don't really care. This is fun. And these two are running out.
Well, that out of
Sizzling. That one's out too. More sparklers. After this is our last bit of sparklers. We have more, but I'm saving them for my mom's house. There's some fireworks in the distance, but we can't see because of all these stupid trees. Hit my hand. And these are starting to run out. Actually, no, they're not. They're fine. You can't see them. And these are gonna go out pretty soon. Yeah. That's a nice noise. I don't know if the camera picked that up. It probably did. Maybe. Now we are going to do the mighty sword. And then afterwards we got a mini tank, some smoke bombs, and some fountains. We did get a big one too, but neither of us know how to use it, and we don't want to ruin it because it was expensive. So I'm saving it for my dad's because he's picking me up tomorrow.
Hold this.
The mighty sword. I'm excited to see how this one works.
Okay,
Oh,
hold it out.
it's lit.
Hold it by the sword.
There it is.
What happens?
Oh! Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh, that's cool. shing, shing, shing. Oh, that is really cool. Woo! It's not what I expected. The person at the fireworks stand said it was a fountain, but I wasn't expecting this. Dun, 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 dun. It's Smokey. I wonder how long it lasts. Oh, it's on fire. It's on fire. It went out.
Hi, how are you? We didn't get to do fireworks last night. Rain us out.
It's not too late.
Yeah, that's what we decided.
Some random people. Okay, we're gonna put that there. Next, let's do a few smoke bombs.
Okay, here. Do you want to light them?
Yeah, here. Hold it like this and make sure you get me like, can you see me?
Mm-hmm.
All right, we are lighting some smoke bombs. Crap, stand up.
Yeah, you hear that one in the inside?
Always be careful when lighting fireworks.
That's his dog in the crate because we didn't want him to be scared.
Yeah.
This one's orange.
Bella's definitely hunted down.
Da, 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 da. That was cringy. It stinks. Oh, it smells so bad. Alright. Here, you light the next one. It stinks so
Let's
bad.
go further out here.
Yeah, I hate that smell. Now we got a different smoke bomb. This one's green. It's all foggy. Back up. Be careful with fireworks. Other children. Ooh, it's blue! We lit some other blue ones, but they were white. Maybe they're just random colors, but it's rolling. Look at all that blue smoke. That was a bad idea. Still smoking. Kick. Hey, look, there's like blue all over. It got blue all over the pavement. That's funny. Ah. It's all blue. Sounds like someone's dying over there, but okay. Ooh, mini tank. Alright, I'm gonna.
Let's shoot them down here.
Really? But you can see it better in the light here. We can set it like right here.
You can light it.
No, I can. I think I can do both. This is gonna be a bit difficult. Oh, I'm doing it.
We're doing a video.
You guys have fun.
It's my grandson, you know.
Oh boy! Let's shoot. Oh! Bang! Whoa. I forgot how cool those were. Ah, it's on fire!
Wait. See if it's going to do anything
Wait.
else.
I don't think it is. Although one of the things didn't catch on fire. What if This is for science. I'm gonna try and light this one because it didn't catch on fire. Oh gosh, let me sit down. It like spun around, that was really cool.
It kind of scooted away from you.
I'm gonna try and hold the camera with my foot. Actually, no, that's a bad idea. Nana, I need you to hold the camera. I need you to hold the camera. Here, hold it to where you can get the tank in view. Yeah.
You were right.
That one didn't light all the way. I'm gonna go put it in our water bucket over here. Ah, it's hot. Sizzle.
Okay.
Now we have some more smoke bombs and the fountains. We'll do one of the fountains next. Gotta remove the, can't remove the packaging. Don't play with fire. It's a floppy lighter.
Let's do this down here.
Yeah, we're doing a fountain now. A mad dog.
Let's do it kind of in the road.
You can hear the fireworks in the distance, but
But you can't see anything, can you?
they're covered by those houses. Don't do it like completely in the road, cause like do it here in between these cars, cause I don't want a car to come and run it over.
Well, about right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is kind of what I was thinking.
I'm backing up. Whoa! Yeah, that's pretty. Wow! It's still going. I was Oh, is it over? I don't want to go over there until it's. Oh, it fell over. Back up, it fell over. Is it over? I don't know if it's over or not. I don't want to touch it. I don't want to touch it if it's not over. It might be, but I don't know how to edit. I would edit this out, but I don't know how. I think it's
Right here.
some fireworks over there. I can see it. It's beautiful. Woo! I think it's okay. And I think it's done. Ooh, that's cool. I think it's done. What about you?
Yeah, I think I'll do it.
It's a bit hot. Because of course it is. It's a freaking fountain. What did I expect? Yeah, that was a mad dog. We have another one. Now I know what to expect. Yay. I'm just gonna put that there. We'll do a few more smoke bombs before the other mad dog. Before I do these, over here we have a big one, but the fuse is right here, but we don't want to accidentally ruin it because that would suck. So yeah, we're saving that one for another time. I'll film.
Try it if you want to.
It's fine. I'll film another video with my dad. That's disgusting.
That is disgusting.
I'm trying to open these smoke bombs up, but I can only use one hand. So it's a tiny bit difficult. I think I got it. Almost. Alright, what if we lit like 3 smoke bombs at once? So we're gonna light these 3 smoke bombs at once. Nana,
Huh?
what if we lit all 3 of these at once?
I don't care.
We should. Here, wait. Holy, there's some crap happening back there.
Let's kind of do them out here.
How about right here so we can light them all at like the same
Okay.
time? Very precise placement. Now the lighter.
We haven't had any dads, have we?
Nope. Ah! Uh-oh. It's brown. They combined. Oh, look, there's some.
Blue.
There's some. Is that green or blue? Huh. Did they all go off? Yeah. That one went off. That one went off. That one went off.
Did
They like
all go off?
yeah, they combined.
Oh, so it made an ugly color. Huh?
Yeah. All right, bad idea. Don't combine smoke bombs. Lesson learned. Beautiful. I dropped. Smoke. Or is that clouds or smoke? I can't tell. Alright, lighting another smoke bomb. We'll light these smoke bombs and then we'll do the last Mad Dog, and then I'll film a second video with my dad. Come on, light. Oh my gosh. This is hard. There it goes.
Sam, I think we can do that one if you
Yeah, I think my dad's gonna buy fireworks. Should we try it?
want to.
Alright, never mind. We're gonna try that other one. Ooh, smoke. Smoke bombs are fun, they just stink. Yellow smoke. Yellow smoke bomb. Don't leave yellow everywhere? Nope, only the blue. Wonder why that is. Yeah. Very cool. Alright, so I think we should do that one as a big finale though, as the last one. That'll be our last one. Yeah, then I see no reason to take off that top part.
Yeah, I'm sure you don't.
If we fail this, I am sorry. Also, we have to make sure that water's empty because we gotta pour it on top after, because that's what it says on the package. This was my papa's garage. He had a lot of crap. My grandfather, not my dad, but whatever. I call my grandpa Papa. He passed away on Christmas in 2020, so that sucked. Can't see it over there. There is fireworks, but I can't see them, and I don't think you guys can either. Let's do that one last. Let's do these other smoke bombs and that Mad Dog. We'll leave this right here for now. This is it.
Out here.
Okay. That is the Justify. The biggest firework we bought. I'm not sure what it does though. So that'll be fun. Not sure if that actually got me because I can't flip the camera over because I'm using a phone. Alright, 2 more smoke bombs. I need the lighter. 4th of July, always have a lighter. Don't actually, that is dangerous. I don't know what color this one's gonna be because sometimes you can't tell. I assume it's gonna be green. Nope, it's blue. Well, it looks like a green bomb. It's not like green bomb, it's more green, but nope, blue smoke. Whatever. Blue's my favorite color, especially this kind of blue. I don't know why, I just like it. Still smells disgusting. I hate the smell. Get out of here. Whee! It's a great idea to wear Crocs while there's sparks everywhere. Or not. Why did I say Crocs or flip flops? Sparks. See, it's white. Why is it white?
Blue one again?
It looks like a blue one, but it's white smoke.
No, those were all white yesterday.
Yeah. Yeah, we tried doing this yesterday. We did a few sparklers and a few smoke bombs. That's it because it failed.
You gonna do this one now?
Yeah. Now we have another Mad Dog. And then we will do our big boy.
This was pretty cool.
Yeah, this one's actually really cool. If on 4th of July, or if you just want to shoot fireworks, if you see these, you should get it. It's really cool. It's called the Mad Dog Fountain. You should get it. It's really cool and fun. Hope during this I didn't like. Back up, that's a big boy. There's some big fire. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. Holy moly, guacamole. What the heck is happening? I can barely hear myself. Alright, there's some fireworks. I know it's not over. Second round. I hope this one doesn't fall over. One more round, I think. Didn't fall over this time. Woo! I think that should be.
Pretty good.
I think it should be over. We're gonna leave it for like a minute just to make sure. Yeah, it's over. Okay. It should be over. I know there's. What? I think so. Yeah, last night there was a bunch of fireworks as well because it was 4th of July. There's a lot today though too. Alright, now for the grand finale. Dun 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 dun. Oh, sorry.
Did you see it?
Ugh. The Justify. Alright, who's gonna light it? Me or you?
You want me to?
I'll do it.
Oh, okay. I will if you want me to.
I will.
Okay. Here's the big dog.
Where do we put it?
Just in before we get that on.
Seems pretty stationed to me. There's a car and we're waiting for it. Alright. Come on, light. I'm running. Was that 9 shots? It says 9 shots.
I don't think
that, that's probably about 9 shots.
Oh, was it?
I mean, it seemed like it, didn't it?
Yeah, probably did.
That
I
was-
was just in awe of it.
That was not what I expected.
It was great, wasn't it?
I was expecting it to be cool, but not that cool. I'm scared.
You guys could have come over here. You didn't have to stay there. Justin came over.
Some neighbors. I'm scared to go near it. Yeah, it shot 9. 9 holes. That was sick.
We heard a bunch when they wanted to. No, it's okay.
It was all.
Going off all around.
Yeah. Well, anytime you hear us playing outside, you just come out with us, okay?
It didn't reignite, so that's a good thing.
Yeah. Is it? You know what, Sam? Why don't we lay it right over here? You know what I mean?
Just in case.
Yeah, just in case.
Should we pour water on it to make sure?
It probably wouldn't hurt. Let me go get some.
You're gonna make sure it doesn't light and burn the house down
Yeah. Probably not.
by still yeah, by pouring water on it. Water. Nice kick. Make sure it doesn't explode the house. Pouring a bunch of water on it. It should be dead now.
Yeah, I think it's dead.
Forever dead. That was cool. So yeah.
Say good night.
Good night, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Trying to